Starting a business in retirement. Retiree business ideas. People today are living longer, healthier lives and often retiring early. This is the ideal time to start your own business and pursue your dream of becoming an entrepreneur. Know that the highest success rates in entrepreneurship come from founders in middle age and beyond. Starting a business after retirement is an excellent way to earn extra income, supplement your retirement savings, reduce your tax bill, improve your mental and physical health, and pursue your dream of becoming an entrepreneur while passing on your skills and knowledge to the next generation. Not everyone has the personality, work ethic, and drive to successfully start a business. But if you think you have what it takes, then retirement might be the perfect time to get the venture you've always dreamed of off the ground. In fact, 1/3 of all U.S. small business owners are baby boomers aged over 50, and 21% are over 60. Thus, 54% of all business owners in the U.S. are over 50. Keep watching to learn about the top reasons to start a business in retirement and get a list of our best business ideas for retirees, plus some cautionary tips. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a professional formation service that includes LLC filing, registered agent services, and business formation. They offer excellent privacy protection and customer service from agents around the United States at a reasonable cost. Northwest Registered Agent offers a service in which they can file your LLC for you without any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Now, let's continue the video. Top reasons to start a business after retirement. Boost your income. Some retirees don't have adequate savings, nor pension payments or Social Security benefits for living expenses. They need to boost their income to make ends meet. Starting a small business can fulfill that need. Americans 65 and older are more likely to be self-employed than adults of any other age group. This means that as an older entrepreneur, you will be in good company. Because of the limited and generally low-paying jobs available for retirees, smart folk go ahead and blaze their own trail into entrepreneurship and self-employment. Greater financial investment return. When you invest a portion of your savings into starting a business, you have the possibility of receiving a greater return on your investment than traditional stocks or bonds. Assuming an average 5% to 8% of return on your retirement savings, if you invest that same amount into starting a business, it could make 2x to 3x that amount in annual profit and tax savings. Plus, you are building a valuable income-producing asset. Save your money. Starting your own income-producing company will save you money in two ways. First, you will pay fewer taxes because you can deduct both startup costs and ongoing expenses, including housing, transportation, and utilities, from your tax bill. Secondly, keeping busy making money will prevent you from over-shopping with all the extra time on your hands after you retire. Having fun and filling your time with online shopping, gambling, outings, and travel will quickly drain your nest egg. Improve your health, mental and physical. The transition from working full-time to retirement can be challenging. Research has shown that retirement may increase the likelihood of suffering from clinical depression. By keeping your mind active and building your company, your mental health will improve, and you'll have a more positive outlook. Also, learning new things and meeting different people will spark your interest in life. Your brain will stay sharp as it expands its knowledge of business techniques and strategies. Also, by starting a business, you likely will be more physically active, which will help your overall health and can also reduce your healthcare costs. Grow your social life. Your new business will also serve as an important new social outlet. Most seniors who retire and then decide to go back to a job do so mainly because they miss their colleagues and daily social interactions. By launching your new business, you will meet and interact with many new and interesting people, zapping the lonely and sometimes isolating feelings associated with retirement. Do's and don'ts for older entrepreneurs. Before you go forth and launch your new company, heed this advice, especially if you're starting a business after retirement. Do not use all of your retirement savings for startup costs. No matter how sure about you think your new business idea is, do not use a large portion or all of your retirement funds. Over 50% of new businesses fail for reasons outside of the business owner's control. So only use a small portion of your retirement income and be prepared to lose it all. You may not lose it, but you need to be financially secure if you do lose it. Do not take out a 401k loan. Do not borrow against your 401k because there are better ways to access your retirement funds for a business startup, such as a 401k Rob's rollover. This is a process where you create a company that funds your new startup and you do not have to pay back the 401k loan. Monthly loan payments can cripple a new startup's cash flow and growth potential. Do not get a business loan. It is best to not start your business with borrowed funds. A better strategy is to start small with your own fiscal resources and build your company slowly by reinvesting its profits. Do consider a business partner. Consider joining with another entrepreneur to build your company together. Many younger business people will appreciate your knowledge and experience as a business partner. DO plans schedule flexibility. Because you are older, it is vital to plan your schedule to allow for your current physical capabilities. Plan your schedule with the flexibility to make the most of your time and energy. Consider the physical aspects of your chosen endeavor. Make allowances for some days when you will not feel physically energetic. Do learn new technology. Business technology is rapidly changing. It is important for you to keep up with advances and learn how to use tech to help your company succeed. Take time to learn about computer usage, the internet, and software. Attend classes at your local colleges, libraries, or take courses online. DO invest in comfortable workspaces. Invest in ergonomic workspace equipment, such as large monitors, armrests, and supportive desk chairs to stay healthy and avoid repetitive stress injuries. DO ask for help. Especially if you're a first-time entrepreneur, take advantage of the many free and low-cost entrepreneur assistance programs offered by government agencies, such as SCORE and SBA. DO connect with other entrepreneurs. Use the buddy system either locally or online with other small business owners. Join your local chamber, get involved in your industry trade association, attend meetups in your field, and join dedicated forums or Facebook groups. Together, you can support and help each other succeed. DO get a business mentor. Reverse the traditional mentor relationship and find a younger person to be your mentor. While you have life and business experience, they can help you navigate today's complex business landscape. It could be mutually beneficial because they gain your wisdom and sage advice. Top 10 business ideas to start in retirement. 1. Consulting. Use your hard-won knowledge and industry experience to help other companies succeed. 2. Online. Launching an online business from home is ideal for older entrepreneurs since it eliminates the need for commuting and opens up the world as your customers. From freelance writing to affiliate marketing, you can make good money online. 3. Tutoring. If you know how to play an instrument, are good at math, or speak a foreign language, consider becoming a tutor in your area or online. 4. Senior services. There is a growing demand for services to help the elderly, from transportation, financial advice, and errands. As an older person, you can be uniquely helpful. 5. Food products. Market your winning recipe and sell at your local market or online. Baking goods are especially profitable. 6. Beauty. If you are talented in nail art, hairstyling, or facials, you could profit from opening your own salon at home. 7. Reseller. Here is where you buy items at wholesale and sell them at retail for a profit. 8. Creative. If you have an artistic talent such as being an artist, crafter, or photographer, these are great skills to build a business upon. 9. Agricultural. If you have a green thumb, you could start farming, keeping bees, or growing mushrooms commercially to make money. 10. Rental. There are many rental businesses that can make good profits, including room rentals, storage, wedding equipment, and costumes. So, you've discovered a business you're passionate about, and now your company or store is expanding its reach. But with success comes a new question. Should you consider forming a business? This is where LLCs come in. An LLC is a legal structure that separates your personal assets, like your savings, from your business assets. If someone sues your business, your personal belongings are protected. Plus, LLCs offer potential tax benefits. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. They offer to walk you through the formation process for free. When you create a free account with Northwest, you'll gain access to online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthroughs, and company document creation. All you have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you're confused or find these steps difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on the state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they will file your LLC for you, saving you the hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent are also provided in the description below. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section, and I will try to answer them as well as possible.